Okay, so recently YouTube stupidly removed the dislikes, but there's a way to bring them back for now, unless YouTube continues to be super retarded and finds a way to patch this, which they might. But for now, there is a way to return YouTube dislikes. Is with this extension right here, return YouTube dislikes. Now, go to whatever browser you use. I'm using Brave browser, but whatever browser you use, and try to get to extensions. Here I just click on extensions, but go to extensions and then click Web Store, and then type down YouTube dislikes. And I'll just click extensions, and you might find another one, but I'm using this one, return YouTube dislike. And you can tell it to add. This is remove from Brave, but it'll say add to Brave. You can add it, and then once it's added, you can go to YouTube and type a video. Go to a video. Oh, here. This is an old PewDiePie video. See, dislikes.
Hello.
Let me try another one just to prove my point, just to prove that it works. See, it says dislike, and then, bam, the likes appeared. As you saw, it said dislike for a second, and the likes appeared. So it brings back the dislikes. By the way, this is my channel. You should go check it out. It's cool stuff. But yeah, hope this video was useful to you. Anyways, later.